Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 500. 600. 600. Oh my god. Okay, I haven't uploaded in about a month. I haven't uploaded since the 29th of August. So it's almost a month later. Anyway, we're going to be playing a game called Vehicle Simulator. You might have played it. It has quite a lot of visits. It was made along about 6 years ago. So let's just play it. But in today's video, I have bought the Game Pass Insanity. So we're gonna see how fast we can go. We're in miles per hour. So if you're wondering how to get this, basically it's 666 ROBUX, the devil's number, but you can go very fast with it. So let's see the max speed I can go without it. 268. I can probably go faster, but this car is meant for drag races. Right, but if we go to perks, and we go to insanity, we put it on, we can go to... Oh my god. 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 I was not expecting that much. Oh my god. 500 miles per hour. 500 miles per hour. Oh my god. 500 miles per hour. Wow. That is insane. But just saying, you can't do that in races, okay? You can't do it in races, because that would be OP. That would be a little bit too OP. Right, so we're gonna do a airport race. Right, let's just see in the chat. 5.1. I can beat that so easily. No, I used to get like I think it was like 2.5. No. Boom, boom, done. Right, come on. 100. Boom. Right, that was not 2.0. No, sorry, I didn't get 2.1. I got about. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I got it. I won first place. What? Where did 2.1 come from? Okay, so me and him got the exact same time, but I won my race, and he won his race. But they've actually changed the map as well. I don't know if I like it. Okay, right, we're gonna go 500 miles an hour again. But instead of going with that car, we're gonna go with. Oh my god! Wait. This is like a 350 top speed. So what if we put insanity? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 500. 600. 600. Oh my god. 650. That is insane. What? Okay, that was kind of cool. I want to do that. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and a massive skid. Oh my god. Okay, let's race the person that got okay, we're not racing that person. I was right that oh, I'm not in the right car. That's probably why I lost. Wait, I would have won. Oh, okay. So as you can hear, I'm going really slow because you can't use alternating races. Right, let's turn this on again. This one. Off on. Oh god. I'm under the bridge. Right. Inside is black. Allows you to climb walls. How does that work? Okay, wait. Let's use a different car. Let's use the Saline NA7. And let's turn on. Oh, sorry, one thing. Let's turn on Insanity. Apparently, you can climb up walls. So wait, what do we press? X, S. Okay. Oh, it's so fast, man. Like my car is just braking. That's how fast it is. Oh. Alright, let's just. It doesn't seem to drive up walls. Whoa, 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 whoa. This car, bro, this park is insane. Right, let's see. 200, 300, 400. Bro, this car is just insane. Oh, really, bro? Alright, let's see. Let's see if the cops can catch us driving at 500 miles per hour. Well, they can definitely drive straight in front of us and murder us instantly. Right, so if you didn't know, you can get wanted in this game. You can just go up, just walk into him. Oh, I need to go. Hello, how are you doing? Follow me. Look, I can just press W, boom, and escape. Press W, boom, 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 boom. I'm just cruising, and they can't catch up with me. I'm gonna let them catch up. They just fall on the ground. So let's just go full speed and see if we can get away from them. Oh my god, I went so fast, no, I'm getting arrested, no!
Dispatch, we got him.
I went so fast, I got stuck under the ground. Are you serious? I'm getting airtime though. Am I in jail? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so that is the video, everybody. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe and like, because only like 5% of you are subscribed. So if you hit the subscribe button, that will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for your time. That was really anticlimactic.